morning students. Yesterday corresponding angles, alternate angles completed. Now see some examples of corresponding angles and alternate angles. Okay na? Okay na students? Okay na? Draw two parallel lines. Okay? This is one line. This is another parallel line. This line L, this is M. So these two lines are parallel lines. L parallels to M. L parallels to M. These two lines are parallel lines. And another line transversal, not transversal. This is the transversal. P is the transversal. This P is the transversal. Okay, na? Here got two lines. The two lines are parallel lines. This P is the transversal. Okay, na? P is the transversal. This is here. Or take here some X. You can take here. Or angle you can take here 110 degrees. This is one side of this angle. Same side of the transversal. One is exterior, one is interior. So these two angles are corresponding angles. These two angles are corresponding angles. And this angle x is equal to what the value 110 degrees. Is equal to what the corresponding angles are same side of the transversal. One is interior, one is exterior. This is so. This is the corresponding angles are equal. So x is equal to 10 degrees. Okay na? Okay, here the corresponding angles are equal. Okay na? Corresponding angles are equal. This is the corresponding angles are equal. Okay na? Corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles with one is exterior, one is interior. Same side of the transversal. Okay na? Next one. Okay na? Next one is alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay na? Alternate angles means both are exterior, both are interior, either side of the transversal. Okay na? This is two parallel lines. This is the transversal. This is one angle. This angle is equal to what we will take. Okay na? This angle is equal to 70 degrees. You can take 70 degrees. You can take. Okay. So these two lines are parallel lines, and this angle is equal to y is given, and this angle also 70 is given. So once other these two angles alternate angles, either side of the transversal. Both are, this is exterior, this is also exterior. So both are exterior. This is two are exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles. So y is equal to 70 degrees. This is exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Okay na? This is alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay na? Next one is, see here you can take x. X is given, and here is 85 degrees is given. 85 degrees. Okay na? Here once other these two angles is in between these two lines. So inside of the lines. So this is alternate interior angles. Either side of the transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. X is equal to 85 degrees or not? X is equal to 85 degrees. X is equal to 85 degrees. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Either side of the transversal. Okay? Okay, number interior angles. Before one is corresponding angles. One is exterior, one is interior. Okay na? Okay number. Suppose given like this. Here one angle is equal to 4x minus 1 degree. 4x minus 1 degree. Okay na? And 12x plus 70 degrees. 12x plus 70 degrees. 12x plus 70 degrees. How to solve x? Find the value of x and first. Okay? You have to find the x value. Once after these two angles is, this is exterior angle, this is also exterior angle. Either side of the transversal. So either side of the transversal. So exterior angles are equal. So here 4x minus 1 is equal to 12x plus 70. So this is alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Okay, now see like terms, take one side. This is variables one side, constant one side. This one take this side. So here minus 1 is there here, plus 70 take this side, plus 70 take this side, minus 17. Okay now? These students here this value can take minus, here also negative, here also can take minus. Okay, here also can take minus. Minus 70 take this side, plus 17. Okay, that is equal to 12x plus 4x take the side, minus 4x. Here minus 1 plus 17 is equal to 16. That is equal to 12x minus 4x is equal to 8x. Here 16 by 8 is equal to x or not? So 8 how many times? 2 times. Therefore x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. So here x value is 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 7. 7. This value is 7 degrees. Okay, here 12 into x value is 2. 24. 24 minus 17. That is like this. Okay, na? See students, here x substitute here and here also. Here 4x minus 1 means 4 into x value is 2k, minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. This angle. What about this angle? 12 into 4. Okay, na? 12 into, yeah, 12 into x value is 2. Minus 17. So 24 minus 17 is equal to 7 or not? So this angle is 7, this also 7. So this alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay, now alternate exterior angles are equal. Lines parallel to the same line. Okay, lines parallel to the same line. See, lines parallel to the same line. Correct? This is one line. This is another line. This one is another line. Okay, this is L, M, N. This is 3 lines. Okay. Like one is transversal. This is the transversal. This is P. P is the transversal. Here, once all this is angle 1. This angle is 2. This angle is 3. The angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. These 3 angles. These lines are parallel. L parallels to M. Here L parallels to M. M parallels to N. So L parallels to N also. How? How there is parallels to means here corresponding angles. One is exterior, one is interior. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Both angles are, these two angles are equal. So the two lines are parallel lines. Corresponding angles are equal means here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means the two lines are parallel, that is L parallels to M. Next, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 means this line M parallels to N. That is M parallels to N. These two lines are parallel lines. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means that is L parallels to M. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 means M parallels to N. And angle 1 is equal to, okay na? See students, here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 for the first equation. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This is the second equation. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is the value of angle 2? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3 or not? Can write angle 2 is equal to right 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Equal to angle 3. These two angles are angle 1 is equal to 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. So angle 1 is equal to line L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. That is L parallel to M and M parallel to N. So that is L is parallel to N. Okay na? These lines parallel to the same line. Now exercise 4.3. 4.3. Exercise 4.3. First row one sums. We will do the homework. And second row, second one. Okay na? Here three lines is given. This is line, okay, and this is other line. This is third line. Okay, this is the transverse side. This line is AB, CD, EF. Okay, here this angle is equal to X. This angle is equal to Y and this angle is equal to Z. Here in the instant figure AB parallels to CD and CD parallels to EF. CD parallels to EF and Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7 is given. 3 is to 7 is given. Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7 is given. Okay na? Here what is given? AB parallels to, okay, AB parallels to, solution right down friends, given that AB parallels to CD. Next CD parallels to EF. CD parallels to EF. And Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7 is given. 3 is to 7 is given. See here, first of all here, these both are interior angles. And this angle and this angle. What are these angles? What are these angles? Here Y, this angle is Y. This ratio is given. Y is to Z. These two angles ratio is given. Okay now. Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. That is equal to 3K is to 7K. K is constant. 3K is to, okay. That means Y is equal to 3K. Z is equal to 7K. Y is equal to 3K. Z is equal to 7K. Okay. Once other here, this is angle X, angle Y. These two are same side of the transformer. Both angles are interior angles. So this is allied angles. The sum of allied angles, so interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Next, once after these two angles, okay, these two angles, these two lines you can take. These two lines, CD parallels to EF. These two lines you can take. This is exterior. This is interior. So same side of the corresponding angles are equal or not? You can take this value is equal to Y. This value is equal to Y. Okay, this is exterior angle. This is interior angle. You consider these two lines. Okay, these two lines. Okay, the corresponding angles means one is exterior, one is interior. So this angle is equal to Y is given. This angle is equal to Y. That is corresponding angles are equal. So this is the straight line. Straight line angle is equal to what the value? 180. So angle Y plus angle Z, or EF is a straight line. EF is a straight line. straight line. F is a straight line. Straight line angle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degrees. Angle y is equal to what is the value? Angle y is equal to 3k plus angle z is equal to what is the value? 7k. 7k is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 3k plus 7k is equal to 10k. 10k is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, na? K is equal to 180 degrees by 10. So how many times? 18 times. Okay, K is equal to 18 degrees. K is equal to 80 degrees K. Okay, K value is what again? 80 degrees K. Once observe students here, this line L is parallel to AB. AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Before there is AB parallel to EF or not? AB parallel to EF means this angle is X, this angle is Y. Okay, na? This angle is X, this angle is Y. So these two angles are, this angle sum is equal to 180. Or see, these two angles sum, that is this is also coincident angles are not. So angle X plus angle Y is equal to also 180. Angle X plus angle Y is equal to also 180. See here, angle. Okay, wait students. Okay, so K is equal to 80 degrees. Here also observe these angles, angle X and angle Z. Angle X and angle Z is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Here angle X is equal to angle Z. Angle X is equal to angle Z. Angle X is equal to what is the value of angle Z? That is equal to what is the value? 7k. That is equal to 7 into k value is what is the value? K value is 18 degrees. Okay, na? Angle X is equal to what is the value? 7 18s are. What is the value, Amma? 7 18s are 126. 126 degrees. Angle X is equal to 126 degrees. Okay, na? This is the second problem. That is second problem. Okay, students. Next, fourth sum, students. In the adjacent figure, PQ parallels to ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees and RST is equal to 130 degrees. Find angle QRS. Here it is given. Draw a line parallel to ST through point R. See, this is the fourth problem. This is one line is given. This is also another line is given. Okay, PQ. This is PQ. ST. ST. This is R. Okay, this angle is equal to what is given? PQR is equal to 110 is given and STR is equal to 130 is given. Okay, here one it is given. Draw a line parallel to ST through R. Draw a line parallel to ST through R. This is one line. This is one line. This line is parallel to. This line is parallel to ST. This line is parallel to ST means this is the transversal or not? This is the transversal or not? So this is, these two angles are coincident angles or not? So these two angles are coincident angles. Coincident angle means the sum of coincident angles is equal to 180 or not? 180 minus 30, what is this angle? This angle is equal to 50 degrees. So that is here this angle can take x. That is 130 plus x. 130 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. So x is equal to 50 degrees from this value. Okay, same as here also. These two angles observe once this. This is y we can take. Okay, this angle is equal to y we can take. Okay, see coincident angles. The sum of the coincident angles is equal to 180. So 110 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So y is equal to 180 degrees plus 110 degrees. Y is equal to 70 degrees. So this value is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, see this is the straight line or not? So this is a straight line. This straight line angle is equal to 180. So this angle is equal to z we can take. This angle x is equal to 50. Okay, here x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. x plus y plus z is equal to 180. What is the value of x? X is equal to 50 plus y is equal to 70 plus that value is equal to 180 degrees. So z is equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 70 is equal to 120. Right? So minus 120 degrees. Z is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, this angle is equal to z. That angle is equal to 60 degrees. So that definitely angle. What is that? Okay, that is equal to 60 degrees. That what is our angle? Angle QRS is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, QRS is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, angle QRS, angle QRS, that is angle Z. Angle Z is equal to angle QRS. That is equal to what the value? 60 degrees. Okay, okay, students. Thank you.